Welcome to Oyster Stitches Fashion World. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful headband. And if you are just joining us for the first time, thank you very much. And my return subscribers, I said a big thank you. I love you all. Please do well to subscribe, like, and comment. Ask any question, I'll be there to answer. So let's go straight to the point on how we make the beautiful headband. So we have our fabric. The fabric used here is raw silk. Raw silk, a yard will be more than enough for this design. My fiber, scissors, tailor chalk, and tape rule. So let's go to the measurements. So on the strap, I have 3 pieces of strap here for the braid headband, and I cut across the stretchy parts. The width is measured 8 inches wide by the length of 35. By the length of 35. Just watch it carefully. It looks too long, so let me fold it so that we can see the measurement very well. When you fold together, you have 17.5 inches long. 17.5 on fold. 17.5, and when you open it up, you have 35 inches. This is 17.5. 17.5. So when you open it up, you have 35 inches long. And I have this in 3 places because we are making braid design, braid headband design. So I set that aside, and I'll be cutting my fiber. Please, I beg us to make use of fiber. It's far better than foam in this project. Okay, so I cut the same thing for my fiber, 8 inches wide by 34 inches long. 8 by 34 inches long. Okay, so I'll be folding it and insert it on my fabric. All right, so I have 8 inches wide by 34 inches long. Okay, I have that also in 3 places. So the 8 inches, I'll be folding it like this, place on top of my fabric, sew straight down, then I will twist. Okay, or I will braid rather. Okay, so I'll be cutting it in 3 places like this. All right, insert on my fabric. So I have it in 3 different places, just like my fabric. Set it aside, and I will go to my machine and sew them and bring them. So here we are. I have this instrument to turn them out. I fold the fabric into 2 and I sew straight down. So I'll be turning them out in this way. Okay, so I'll do the same thing for the remaining 2, right? So I will make use of this safety pin to insert on that fabric that I just turned out now, and I will tuck it in like this. This design is more beautiful when you make use of fiber instead of foam. Okay, foam can be funny sometime. All right, so make use of fiber for this braid design. So I bring my pin out this way, and I'll arrange my fiber inside the fabric very well, and I'll make sure it is very smooth. Then I'll do the same thing for the remaining 2 as well. So just watch. Remember, the fiber is cut 8 inches wide by 34 inches long, while the fabric is cut 8 inches wide by 35 inches long. So I have inserted my fiber into it like this. I'll do the same thing for the 3. So having done that, I will bring the 3 together this way, arrange it like this or align it like this. Then I'll take it to my machine and I'll sew it straight down. I'll take it to my machine and I'll sew it down. Okay, so having done that, I took it to my overlocking machine and I overlocked that edge. Then I will turn it in this way. If you see somebody asks to assist you in holding it so you can braid, So I have gone ahead and braid the band. Here it is. This is the result. But before I finish it up, I will be covering this part. I'll place it together like this and I will tack it down neatly. Then I will cut a loop of 6 inches wide by 6 inches long. Then I will sew straight down, turn out, and I will use it to cover it up. Okay, so I will be going ahead now to tack it down properly. All right, I'll be tacking it neatly down. Oh, sorry. I suspend that back to it after I've cleaned the blood. So I'll continue sewing it, after which I will cover the sewn part down. So I have locked it very well now. So I'll keep on tacking it properly. So I'll tie it in a way that my tacking will not be visible, even though when I cover it, because I want it to lay very well. So this is it, and I will lock it up now. So I'll be bringing the loop now to cover it up. Okay, this is the loop. Remember I said cut 6 inches wide or 7 inches wide by 6 inches long. Sew straight down, turn it out, and use it to cover it up in this manner. Okay, so I've locked my headband, then I'll be covering it, after which I've cut the excess thread, knot it down. But if you want to attach something at the back of the headband, you don't need to cover it with loop. All you have to do is to get the design you want to attach at the back, place on it. So I have covered it up with the loop and I have tacked it down neatly. This is the end of the design, but I will go ahead and embellish it. You will see the final look. Thank you for watching. Bye. This is the final look. Do well and practice. Share your practical with us. And if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, the link is below this video. Try to join, where we share ideas on the group on how to grow our milliner business.